Have you ever wondered how you can get this nice, good, clean text effect on your own video? Let's dive right into it. So now I'm going to go ahead and create a new project, CapCut. So this is it. So let me go ahead and import my video. By the way, this video is gotten from Mixkit, where you can get your free stock videos, stock music, and stock sound effects. So let me go ahead and retouch the skin of the subject. A bit of whitening, light shade. Give him a little bit of skin tone, raise the warm, the gray. Then I think this is all we need. You can still play around with some of the attributes here, but let me go ahead. So what you're going to do is you're going to press Alt on your keyboard, then you're going to drag this and duplicate it. Then the duplicated video on top, you're going to remove the background of that video. So let me go ahead and click on auto remover. Once you're done removing the background of that particular video, you're now going to come to your text, then add a default text. Let's make this a little bit longer. Then rename it Game. Change the font. Raise the font size a little bit. Drag it up. By the way, if you want to get this font is called the Game of Squid font. It will be linked in the description box down below in case you need it. So let me go ahead and edit the text. I'm going to choose this for that. I'm going to reduce the thickness of the bytes. Then what you're going to do, you're going to come down to glow till you see glow. Then you choose this one. You can as well choose this, but depending on what you're doing. So for me, I'm going with this one. So choose a color, choose yellow. Then you can as well increase the intensity of the color of the and the range. So let's make it this. This should be okay. So now, as you can see, I've gotten this nice text behind the subject. You can use this for many occasions. You can use this for a talking head video. You can use this for a faceless video just like this, and it will fit. It just changes the atmosphere of the video entirely and keeps it interesting. So do well to check the description box down below to get the Game of Squid fonts, and also to get your free stock music, free stock videos, free stock sound effects, and also free stock images from Mixkit. It will be linked down in the description box below. So do well to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. See you guys in the next video.